Hi everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to design a WhatsApp chatbot to provide store location info for a retail chain. So let's suppose I am running retail chain business and I am receiving many queries and messages related to location of the store on my WhatsApp. I am manually replying to all of the queries and messages, and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I am instantly going to reply to all the queries and messages sent by my customers. When I create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sends a message to me, a reply will be automatically sent to that user. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot to provide store location info for a retail chain. Now here I have created a WhatsApp chatbot and I am going to check this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that I am going to open my WhatsApp web and I am going to send some message like, I am going to send this message, hey, please share your store location, and here I have received this message. Hi, welcome to Urban Style, your destination for fashion forward shopping. How can I assist you today? Let's click on this find a store and you will see I'm going to get the response, and then I'm going to click on this view products and you will see I'm going to get the next message, and I'm going to click on this book appointment and you will see I have received this response. Let's go with this Bandra East and I'm going to receive this message. I'm going to send the message like, so here it is asking me a question. It is asking me that we have this available slot, so please book your slot. So I'm going to send 3 p.m. today. I'm going to send this message and you will see that I'm going to receive the reply. Your appointment is confirmed for 3 p.m. today at Urban Style Bandra East. Directions, here the location has been attached and then it has provided me the contact details. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and here now to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot to provide store location info for your retail chain. For this, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and to visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can either connect your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button, or you can use a token or manual token to connect your WhatsApp number. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply visit this YouTube tutorial. Connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow in few clicks. Now, here as I have already my Pabbly Chatflow account, and this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. It is showing me the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. Now on the left hand side here we can see all these options. I'm going to open this inbox, and this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. Next we have this contacts. So this will help you manage your leads, customer and their details. Next we have this option of team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcasts. So this sends bulk messages to selected contacts for segments. We have this flows. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant. So you can use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. If you want to learn how you can create an AI assistant, simply visit this YouTube tutorial. Next we have this option of settings. So over here you can see so many options which we have. This will help you configure account integration and preferences. Next we have this get help. So this will help you access support, FAQs, or contact the help desk. Now let's go back towards my dashboard, and now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to go towards this flows. So let me open this flows option. And here we are landed towards this flow builder. Now you can see all the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I've created. If you want to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this add flow button. And now here we have landed towards this page from where we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. But before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot to provide store location info for a retail chain. And now to create this chatbot, we have to first go through all the options of messages and actions. And under this, we have all the buttons. We have to quickly go through all of the buttons because we will be using all of these buttons while creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So the first button under messages is text button. So this button sends messages along with multiple clickable buttons. We have this media button. So this allows you to send images, videos or GIFs with a message. We have this list option. So this shows a list of options instead of button. So this is useful when you have many choices. Instead of adding the buttons, you can use this list option. If you want to send a catalog message, you can select this button. And if you have a single product, you can use this button. If you have multiple or many products, you can use this button. Next, we have this option of templates. So this is pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons and links. Moving on to the next option of actions. Under actions, the first button which we have is of condition. So this sets the logical condition for branching the conversation flow. We have this ask address. So this prompts the user to enter the address and store it in contact field. We have this ask location. So this requests the user's live location. We have the ask question. So this is used to gather user input such as email, phone or feedback. We have this ask media. So this lets the user upload images, videos or documents. We have this set custom field. So this stores the input in custom variable for later use. We have this add tag. So this assign a tag to user for segmentation and targeted follow-ups. Next is API request. So this sends or retrieves the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we have this connect flow. So this links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now we are done with understanding all of the buttons and options, and now let's start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keywords and the regex, which means we have to activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. And to do that, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. I'm simply going to add some commonly used keywords like hey, hi, hello, hey, press enter, hi, press enter, and here I have added the keywords. You can also add the keywords of your product and services in these keywords, and you can also use this regex option. So here regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. I'm going to enter my regex like. So here I have entered the regex help send location. Now if someone is going to send me a WhatsApp message like please send me your store location, please help me with your store location, I want to get the store location, then this WhatsApp chatbot is going to get triggered. Here I have one more option, enter regex to match substring trigger enable toggle for case sensitive regex. I am going to toggle this on. This is for case sensitivity. So by enabling regex, your chatbot can understand more variation of user messages instead of needing to add every possible keywords manually. So here we are done with adding the keywords and the regex, and this chatbot got activated. Next, what? We have to send the WhatsApp message. As soon as this WhatsApp chatbot got activated, I have received this message. Now how we have created this message? Let's quickly open my flow, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop this circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. From this drop down, you can see all the content. I have already explained you all the content. I'm going to select this as text plus button, and then I'm going to enter my text like. So this is the same text which I have sent over here. You can see this is the same exact text I have entered. Now I'm saying, hi, welcome to Urban Style, your destination for fashion forward shopping. How can I assist you today? If you have more choices to provide what I told you earlier, you can use this list option. And if you have only some choices, you can click on this add button and then you can provide the option. Now here you can see that I have also done one more step. I have selected this much text and I have bold this text. text. How we can do this? I have entered the text normally and then I have entered star in the end and in the starting of the sentence. I want to bold this sentence because this is my store name and I want to highlight this. So you can highlight your words, sentences, important things like that. You can add star. So I hope this is clear to you, and this is how I have bold this particular heading, and then I have asked the question. So you can bold your messages in this manner. So here we are done with this, and now I am going to provide the buttons. In the similar manner, I am going to provide the buttons in which I am going to ask them find a store, view products, book a appointment. I am quickly going to provide all the buttons. Now here I have provided all the buttons and now I need to provide the message for each of the buttons. As you can see, as soon as I clicked on any of the buttons, the next message was sent to me. So how I have done this? I have followed the very same process. I have clicked on the circle and drag and drop it, and then I have selected my content type. So here we are going to do the same. I am going to enter the message for this find a store, view products and book an appointment. What you can do if you want to get the location, as we want to send the location, I am not going to ask the location from the customer. I'm going to send them the location in the message according to the city which they are going to prefer. Now over here you can see the circle. I'm going to drag and drop this circle if in case you want to upload the media. Like if you want to upload the image, video or audio, what you can do, you can select your content type as media. You have to select your media type, what you are uploading, and then you can simply click on this cloud and upload that media, and then click on this open. The media will be uploaded. In this manner you can upload the media. You can add the caption and then you can add several buttons to that media or add the question to that media. Now I am quickly going to complete all of the buttons and then we are going to check this WhatsApp chatbot. Now here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot. I have asked them, do they want to get the store location based on the city? And if they're going to click on any of the city, I'm going to send them which city they are from. And if they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them the next message. Here I have created a message only for this Mumbai. You can create or expand this flow in similar manner. Here how I have created this button. We have 3 urban style stores in Mumbai. Then I have provided the location and all the 3 location and the phone number. Now over here you can attach your store location link and then you can create the same message for the rest of the buttons. In this manner you will be able to send the location of your store of that particular city. Now here we are done with this first button. The second was view products. For the example, I have created only one message, browse by category, and then I have provided the categories. If they click on any of the buttons, you can send them the next message. We are not going to send the product details in this flow, so I have end this button or the message over here. Next, the final button was of book appointment. Now how you can do this? You can ask them which store do they want to visit. Here I have only provided 3 buttons, and when they click on any of the buttons, you can send them this message that these are the available slots, or you can also provide the slot in the button. So when they click on the button, the booking or the appointment will be fixed. Here what I have done, I have added a question button. I clicked on this action, drag and drop this question, and then I have provided this message in which I have provided the available slots, and then I have entered the contact custom field as the booking slot and the format as any, because the slot could be in any format. It is not necessary that it is in text format or number format. It can be in any format. So I have entered any as the format. Now when I'm going to ask the question and when they are going to reply me with that question, I'm going to send the personalized message that your slot has been booked for that particular timing or the day which you have selected. I have asked this question, and it is important that whenever we ask the question, we create the contact custom field for that, so that whenever your customer answers that question, it gets saved in my contact custom field. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, go towards the settings, and from settings go towards this contact custom fields. Open this contact custom fields, and here you are landed towards this contact custom fields. Now if I scroll down, I can see all the fields which I have created. I have created this booking slot, and when I create this, when I ask the question and when my user or the customer answer that question, it gets saved in this contact custom field. And how did I create that personalized message? I simply copied this field name, contact custom field, copied to clipboard, and then I have pasted that. I'm going to show you how I've done that over here just for the example, like this, and you will see that a personalized message will be created just how I have shown shown you in the real-time example. Now, if you remember that the personalized message was sent as soon as we added the time and the date. So this is how this contact custom field, this question box, is going to work. And here you can see that I have also provided star in the start of the sentence and in the end of the sentence, because this is the important message. So I have bold this text from the end of the text. So here we have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot, and now it is important to note that the flow is active. If we keep this inactive, the messages won't be sent. So we have to keep this flow active, and it is important that we save this flow. If we do not save the flow will be lost or your messages will be lost. So here flow updated successfully. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and over here you can create the buttons, you can expand this flow. As you can see, I have created only one buttons and messages for each of the buttons because I just want to show you how it is done. You can follow the same process for the rest of the buttons and the messages, the exact same process to create your rest of the chatbot. So here we have successfully created the WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow to send store location info for a retail chain. If you have any doubt or queries, you can drop a comment below this video, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.